Hi, this is R.Daryl McDonald of McDonald Family Real Estate LLC, Family Real Estate Biz, and the Blue Collar Investors Group. I want to present my book, African American Spiritual Heritage and the Egyptian Mystery Systems, for all my friends and family to review. To give you a preview of the book, here's what it looks like. It has a wonderful cover of King Tut, and here is the book cover. It'll be released on Google Play, Amazon, and Kindle here within the next month or so. But for friends and family, I'll have it available digitally sooner than that. This is R.Daryl McDonald showing my friends and family my book, African American Spiritual Heritage. That's the back of the book. You look real good. That's me and my son, little Daryl. His hair's all over the place. Yeah, that's me. And there's King Tut again, and there's my daughter Lauren, and she's a contributor of the book as well. It's $12.99 on Amazon. You can order it here digitally on Kindle. I'll probably have it for $1 or something like that. I may give it away for free depending on who you are as a member of LinkedIn, Friends and Family, Facebook, and my other social networks. I'll be providing a download copy for $1 for all those members. So please, if you really feel like you want to find out some interesting facts about the Egyptian mystery system and Christianity, then you really need to get this book. So stay tuned. Again, this is R.Daryl McDonald, author of African American Spiritual Heritage, and it'll be coming to my friends and family on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, you name it. You guys will be there. Twitter, all those social networks shall be given the opportunity to purchase this book for $1 digitally. Or even for those who actually download my app, Family Real Estate Biz, or the Blue Collar Investors Group app. Either one, they're both on Google Play and they're both on iTunes. So go and get that, pick up that app and get a free copy. Well, actually, the app will include a digital copy of this book, African American Spiritual Heritage and the Egyptian Mystery Systems. Thanks again. This is R.Daryl McDonald signing out, saying appreciate your time. Look forward to presenting this book for you because it will definitely help you out.